हे 2.51 crore काम. This is from Divya Lottery to Fatarda Stadium. Basically, on this road, they have divided the work into two portions. A work of 2.5 crores will be completed in 3 months. I have been repeatedly saying that till March, the people living on this road will have to face some hardships. But the end result of this will be one of the best roads in Goa. हो रस्तो असो आहा जंय आमी डेडिकेटेड डक्ट केल्ले. रस्तो सगळ्यांत बरो जातलो, वायडूय जातलो, पूण हाजे मदीं थोडे त्रास लोकांक फेस करचे पडटले, इन्क्लुडींग दीस वर्क वीच वी आर नाव स्टार्टिंग, which is costing 2.5 crores. At the moment, there are works of 57 crores, ongoing sewerage department works of 57 crores, which includes the section of the North Main trunk pipeline, which is from Allem to Shirwade, which goes within Fatarda district. I am not taking the whole work, but part of the work comes in Fatarda. If you count everything, there is a figure of around 57 crores, of which work is ongoing. In Fatarda. 90% of domestic connections have been released, and sewerage facility is been covered at least 90% of Fatarda district. There may be people on this road who have not taken underground sewage. So I appeal to them to use this facility. We are also giving subsidized domestic connections, which is only there for Fatarda.